Hi, summer is almost here. Today I show you this elegant and stylish Halmar ZESTAW Bolivar dining room set, table and 6 chairs on budget, perfect for your terrace or garden. Made with budget materials but designed to impress. This set is sure to elevate your outdoor dining experience, and it only cost me 230 euros. Dimensions for this table is 130 to 80 to 75 centimeters and 6 chairs. This dining table is crafted from laminated MDF boards and powder-coated steel, providing durability and stability without compromising on style. The golden oak finish adds a touch of warmth and elegance, creating a welcoming atmosphere for you and your guests. Surrounding the table there are 6 sleek chairs, designed with comfort in mind. The powder-coated steel frames not only ensure sturdiness, but also add a modern touch to the overall design. Whether you are enjoying morning coffee with view or hosting dinner party under the stars, this dining room set, table and 6 chairs will transform your outdoor party next level. It's a said that this kit is not made for rainy outdoors, but we use it on our terrace anyway. We just cover it when rain's coming. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will definitely answer you.
I wish a void opened in the air to suck me up, cause I really don't care. While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I'm gone. While I'm falling, I wondered if you would miss me when I am gone. I feel so hollow inside, Promise me everything, but please don't lie. I wish a void opened in the air to suck me up, 'cause I really don't care.